I did find it very interesting and entertaining. Probably my favorite parts of today were the cannons, the learning about the natural medicine, St. John's wort, and all of the remedies that people took back then because they didn't have Advil, aspirin, any of that. And also the blacksmith was very interesting as well.
We are actually on an Oklahoma history trip, and we are learning about all of the different forts, and we were learning about Fort Towson specifically.
Hey, I got one!
Our education day really introduces school children to life in the 1840s. The 1840s were a particularly important time here at Fort Towson because soldiers were coming from all across the country to resupply and head south to join the war effort in Mexico. The purpose of wearing the historic clothing and using living history is to allow people to use their senses. They can see and touch and feel people that are wearing this historic clothing. They can smell the soil. They can smell the bread baking. They can taste the wonderful food that we cook in the Dutch ovens.